Biggest mistake of a social media manager or even beginner social media manager, why they are stuck with an hourly rate or with the worst international client because they don't have this one thing. And I have heard a lot of this to my coaching session and to those people who are commenting to my contents na $3 per hour lang po ako, bakit ganito yung client ko, bakit pinapagawa sa akin to ng client ko, hindi pala to task ni social media manager. Ang dami. So I have heard a lot of those things because they don't have the process. And this video, I'm going to show to you the process that I am talking about that will give you a good and premium client and that will also stop you offering hourly rate because that's really the goal here as a beginner social media manager na hindi naman porket beginner ka is magcha-charge ka ng ganito and hindi porket beginner ka, oo ka ng oo sa client mo. So I want you to be a knowledgeable beginner social media manager, not just beginner social media manager. I want you to become the best, the better, and knowledgeable one. That's why finish this video because I will walk you through what's the process of a social media manager. But before that, I just want to share this story that I have heard from those people na na-coach ko. She is 3 years social media manager and actually mas matagal pa siya sa akin. And I'm just so sad kasi whenever she wants a client or whenever na nawawalan siya ng client, humahanap siya sa mga OLJ, sa mga Upwork. And it's so tiring. Ako, nasa 2 years pa lang ako experience and sobrang nakakatamad maghanap ng client. Sobrang nakakatamad mag-apply. Promise. And I know you guys know that na kahit wala pang client, nakakatamad mag-apply, especially if they are not responding to your application, diba? Sobrang nakakapagod, sobrang nakaka-burnout, especially na walang result na nakukuha dun sa effort natin yun, diba? That's why as early as now, kailangan talaga na you stop applying to those freelancing website and start creating your own account para yun na lang din talaga yung money-making account nyo na doon kayo makaka-receive ng mga potential clients. Since nasa social media industry na din naman tayo and you are growing the account of your potential client or your client, why not grow your own account as a social media manager? And this 3-year experience social media manager, hindi din niya alam yung process na kapag kakakuha niya ng client, hindi niya alam kung ano yung sunod niyang gagawin. Nagkakaroon siya ng client pero she's still lost. That's why itong process na i-share ko sa inyo is this will avoid you being lost throughout the process na kahit ilang year man kayo as a social media manager, you still know what to do because you have the system that you are following whenever you have client. And now, let's start with the portfolio. And yes, this is the first process na kailangan meron ka. Imagine, wala kang client and gusto mong magkaroon ng client. Ano yung unang hinahanap sa'yo ng mga potential client? Your work. Saan nila makikita yung mga trabaho mo? Saan nila makikita yung mga editings mo? Yung mga results sa portfolio. That's why you need to create a portfolio. And I have video here that will help you on how to create your own portfolio. I even show my portfolio. I even show the layout. Nandyan na yan, gagawin mo na lang. Kaya create that portfolio if you want a smooth process na isisend mo na lang sa potential client mo na if you want to see my work, if you want to see the results, here's my portfolio. Dyan mo makikita lahat. Second is the packages. Syempre, if the client wants to work with you, nagustuhan niya yung portfolio mo, tatanungin nila yan na how much do you charge? Do you have packages ba na ino-offer? So para hindi ka na hourly, girl, stop doing hourly rate to your client as a social media manager because it is not worth it. I have created a video for you here. Diyan ko tinuro sa'yo kung paano ka mag-create ng packages. Pinakita ko din yung sample packages. Kaya ano pang ginagawa mo, mag-take action ka na. Create portfolio, create packages kasi I am guiding you step by step. You just need to take action, okay? Para hindi na tayo mag-offer ng hourly $3 per hour. Girl, that's not definitely worth it. Even beginner ka man, wala ka mang experience. And since you are here, nagwa-watch ka na din naman, you are taking action to be that knowledgeable social media manager, hindi ka worth it ng hourly. Hindi ka worth it ng $3 per hour. Worth it ka ng packages na $500 per month pataas. And nandun yun sa video na to. And syempre, kapag nakapili na si client ng package, okay, Shara, ito yung gusto kong package, gusto ko to, paano na tayo mag-start? That's why we have the welcome packet. And sa welcome packet, you will see everything na dito ako magtatrabaho ng ganitong oras kasi meron tayong time difference, kaya don't expect a fast response from me. Kaya ka napupunta sa mga worst client because you don't have boundary, wala kang welcome packet. And sa welcome packet, dun natin sinasabi lahat, kapag kabayad mo sa akin, ito ang gagawin ko sunod, ito yung sunod, hindi muna tayo magpo-post, 3 weeks tayo hindi magpo-post, kaya wag kang mag-expect na kapag kabayad mo is may posting agad. No, that's the worst. That's why you need to have that welcome packet para ma-build mo yung boundary, para alam ng client mo everything that you will do behind the scene after they pay. And also, para hindi ka create ng content basta-basta because you will do the market research dahil sa welcome packet, dun mo din kukunin lahat ng details that you need from the target audience, the goal, what are their business, kung ano man password ng kanilang account, the engagement restriction, and everything that you need before posting content to their account. That's why you need to have that welcome packet. Kailangan mo ng system. Kailangan mo yon. And if you want to grab my welcome packet templates that look like this and this, I will link my template below. Feel free to grab it and nandyan lahat ng information that you need. And syempre, after the welcome packet, nabayaran ka na ni client, nabigay na sa'yo lahat ng details that you need to strategize. And here's the tricky part, strategizing. So sa strategizing, kailangan may guide ka. Kasi ako mismo, na 2 years na dito sa industry na to, I am still using this guide here, na templates then, na I am just answering those questions and voila, I know what I will do. Because a strategy guide, it will also guide you to do the market research. Doon mo sasagutin lahat ng ano yung interest ng audience, kailan sila available, kailan sila active, kailan ako magpo-post, ano yung content na gusto nilang makita, ano yung ipopost ko, nandun siya lahat. Kaya you need a strategy guide. It will guide you throughout the researching, throughout the strategizing process para hindi ka ma-lost because you have the guidance. And syempre, that you have all of those information, saan mo naman siya ilalagay? You need the content calendar. After the strategy, content calendar, ilagay mo na lahat na nag-gather mo sa research. And this is my content calendar looks like. I have here my own business page where I put everything, all of my information, all of the things that I need as a social media manager to be that organized social media manager. And of course, meron din yung mga client. Hiwala yung page ng business ko, which is me as a social media manager, and hiwalay din yung page ng mga details ng client. And if I have multiple clients, hiwalay din yan sila isa-isa. And I have all that in my Notion monthly content calendar. And this is the content calendar that I am talking about, na dito natin ini-invite yung client to access all of the content ideas that we have created. Ano yung content na ipopost natin ng ganitong araw, dyan natin siya nilalagay. And if you want the copy of this as well, everything is below. Nandyan, sa link na yan. And if you have any questions dun sa mga process na yon, of course, feel free to comment here and I will reply to you with the answer of your questions. And syempre, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Girl, after the monthly content calendar, meron pa tayong sinasend sa client after a month of working with them. Para makita nila yung progress, kung tayo ba ay rightful social media manager para sa kanila, may natutulong ba tayo sa kanila, is the monthly analytic report. And yes, I also have templates for that na ilalagay mo na lang and maglalagay ka na lang ng other details and thus it's ready to send na siya kay client. So, it's very easy to have that templates na, alam mo yun, isa-isa mo siyang ginagawa sa client mo, meron kang guide, meron meron kang process, meron kang system. Kaya kahit hindi ka maging social media manager for a year, na-burn out ka and bumalik ka, gusto mo ulit maging social media manager and you still have that system, you still know what you will do. Because you have the process. You have the system na fina-follow mo lang step by step. And that's how easy it is kapag may process ka. Compare naman dun sa wala na parang nangangapa ka, ano na yung sunod kong gagawin, hindi ko na alam. No. Kailangan maging organized ka as a social media manager if you really want to become that better social media manager. Kailangan you have the process, you have the system, okay? And I am explaining this to you because no one will. Ayan yung mga information na hindi ko nahanap nung nag-start ako as a social media manager. Promise! Hinahanap ko yan before at hindi ko siya makita sa ibang creator. That's why I am creating this YouTube channel for you guys para alam nyo na yung gagawin nyo to become a better social media manager because wala naman magtutulungan kung hindi tayo lang. That's why if you have any questions, if you have something na naguguluhan kay social media manager, social media management services, or dyan sa client mo, I am here. Message mo ko sa Instagram or mag-comment ka dito sa YouTube na to, or if hindi mo pa ako fina-follow sa TikTok, feel free to follow me because I am sharing a no BS social media advice and I am sharing my journey as a social media manager, and I will see you here, guys. Here's my TikTok, here's my Instagram, and see you on my next video.